my expectations were met.
A wild game.
Look, Fifi didn't tell the whole story.
Ojabi.
Timer. Fifi were showing videos and pictures of Timer and a slot AC3 Liverpool bars in him. The hostile reaction from Newcastle supporters, Rich, and a slot here pon game, in the post-match interview, I say, Charlie, so why am I nebia? And I would fear, and I begin to say, ball. Baby, I quite need the normal to it, and your boss him. It was beyond football. And na some ketwa. But Rich, the game gave us what the Premier League etiye. And after the game, say Aka Arsenal, Spurs, and a Liverpool, and a more 100% record in the English Premier League. 2 games, 6 points. Now Arsenal at that top with Spurs and a Liverpool because of goal difference. Our Premier League table so. Now Rich, what happened yesterday? So ocean numbers according to Opta. You understand what happened yesterday because the numbers doesn't reflect the game right away, Rich, how can we score game yes 3-2? 3-2. But according to Opta, none of the teams in Pro and 1.0 SG. Now the answer say Liverpool now share train. Newcastle an SG of 0.93, Liverpool 0.7. And the numbers extra what really happened on the pitch. High intensity. Goals na a PM were goals that were unlikely say was a PM game, and that was how Liverpool won yesterday. Rich, many who numbers be say that for a 5-goal trailer game there, the SG should do better. But these are the numbers according to Opta analysts. Now let's zoom straight into it. Many confitela proba na ever born. And a game na started. And a Newcastle with the support of our supporters now. They didn't know more. I carry the spirit of the supporters and the game onto the field. And I cover every grass on the pitch. Intensity, 50-50 ball BR. And they were playing so well, creating all the chances. Now, as 2 people I have watching, when Newcastle squander chances, game be saying, say, with the spirit of our supporters. Now, create chances. Now, on a game, come dominate. If you don't take your chances, this is Liverpool. Say, one chance, and I say, even a situation, Rich, they will take advantage and turn the game around. Yanu and Sikra. So, SG now out of them and there. It means, Rich, government goal. It wasn't supposed to be a goal because it was not a chance. But the defensive midfielder for Liverpool has come into offensive position, Rich. Or J-Ball now, or also going on who said nobody is closing him down. And it's a sure Newcastle midfielders now. Rich, I am surprised they allowed government in that position, no? Because Sandro Tonelli, John Wellington, Bruno Guimaraes, they were playing the game as if they were obsessed. And doing government goal, they allowed the Liverpool DM to come into some offensive position now or be closing it down. They do the ball and they poke on to me
and it deflecting so.
Yes, on to me and a game that Newcastle were dominating, they were down by a goal, 1-0 or more than. Rich, then things got worse. Me was also on Obi a message you are the buyer say it changed the game. Yes, it did. But me in the second part in the where he says the supporters should be supporters and the players should be professional. Rich, their supporters in the area was still standing, And when the adrenaline you use to play the game as a player. And yeah, Bobo. Yeah, dominate your supporters tie. Then all of a sudden, your opponent not say one. Rich, the aggression here, the intensity I always wanted to work on. And you what? But I think sir, it was very, very unnecessary. It wasn't on an attacker. Van Dijk. So Van Dijk or Bobo Sima.
Unnecessary value.
Then and Usha will proud Van Dijk. Van Dijk became post match say, dear God in the end. On who will be or back or go say Yanko his screen and Sunny Abajire card. Like a soon for swap because it was clear. So a pra and a bunch and a plan. Rich, the red card end the game. Mijini say even without Isak, Newcastle elbow game with 11-11. Rich and can say Liverpool have 3 points from this game. Da. After the game, Anthony Gordon went on Instagram and throw a nice apology. But Rich, these things doesn't bring 3 points back. And he a very, very nice message. Now someone can talk for Bumunya and say, or Pacho, and on him say he let the team down and no crack. But Rich, we Ketiki about Premier League, what about 2 games? What's your 2 goals? Minimum say early days yet, but Rich, Anya Shekrano, or my indication why teams were after him in Europe. Because over Premier League in him, Rich, not over 2 matches, not over 2 goals, not for any team than Liverpool. And they are achieve your worth as a player. And I love what the guy is doing. Serious striker. The attributes, are super. Now, Rich, at 2-0, we thought he upon. And there was no coming back in the game. Then, this loose defending from Milos Kekec. Rich, it was loose, Papa. And the was over here. BBC, Radio Life, or more commentator about Steve Austin say, what a header. Milos Kekec has to be stronger. It's poor from him. He's not even facing the right way. Rich, yeah, cross the ball box as a defender. Instead of you to face the situation, only way cheat. And I'm a situation, and what is this? This is high level football. And Nanciano, PFA Fokoya was, you are the best left back in the league. You shouldn't be disappointing your team like this because Bruno Guimaraes is only one of the tallest. And on your players in power, type header. But the moment he saw, Milos lose for Hono, let me take advantage. Gangai. And Rich, so can you get ultimate taker? I don't know from the gamer and come the best Milos Kekec because the first goal for Newcastle and a day, sir, who home back, and you hope say, or move to me, IABB. Them William Usula. Look, Rich, go now, Usula say, and I mean, who say, oh, say if you are a good analysis, because on him, and on Sky Sports, even after Liverpool had won the game, 2 former Liverpool players in Michael Owen and McManaman were analyzing the game and they were saying the same things. Come on, say Liverpool are spending, but there are still key positions in their team. They need to, like also, infuse some men. Almost center backs and almost defensive midfield. And so also William Usula go saying now, even the Liverpool legends are saying, say, look, it is because of that problem. Long ball. And look at how loose I don't tell you or come ball no they say. But Rich, football and Gaza Rich, I told them, yeah, you must relax for football. Because after the 46th minute, 2-0. 57th minute, 2-1. 88th minute, 2-2. 88. More the upon. Obienu so Newcastle has fought back. That is the end of the story. It's
Eddie Howe no. Engine revenue did 11 minutes or so.
Uh-huh.
Still now, not in the boys in the future we can still score.
Momentum. Football is momentum.
Defending a bit.
No. Rich. Born a year. You see it too.
Yeah.
You see it too, Rich. Yababa Titika. 57th minute, 88 minutes.
And then 11 minutes out. So.
And we have the momentum.
And Liverpool now, neighbor.
No, you have momentum.
Okay, but this is Liverpool.
But Rich, Ujra touchline. The atmosphere will tell you, say, push on and let's win this game.
Because me, moment in fact, time I'm going to take 88 minutes. Now I thought, say, okay.
Rich,
now you're defending here.
There is nobody on this platform. Our preaching match management. Nobody. And the preaching match management. What's your two? Manage the game and yampong uyawa do 3 points. But Rich, sometimes beyond the air conditioning, when the situation is with you on the pitch, poor Baba, you can come into the studio. No one can chill because he has coached teams. Rich, when you have the momentum, you are so 2-2. Now, una would be born in Pia who open our fear where the supporters are. Look, born a room maybe no, or maybe 2-2 no. When even Newcastle my back passer, so my back passer, the supporters will be jeering them. No. For didn't come on. A momentum no. They were carried away by the momentum.
Okay, Papa. Say, Ona now you coach, and at that time we not touch line. Yeah, show 88 minutes. We have a chicken 2-2. So now I catch your boys and so I'm pay we go now. Bra, microphone.
It depends, but maybe there's a time no. Any league, 2 games into the league, only Liverpool there, but we are 1 man down. Any a show. Me and why I know it's
not.
I was just talking about momentum, but in the PBA, so to mean control your emotions. It doesn't make you a top guy. Me sana me think I'm me.
Oh, then Kabaka from say defending.
Baby, I drew no.
Yempa 1 point in.
Mama manage game the name for 1 point in.
Okay.
Because on pro one, Liverpool there a big club.
I'm from 3 no. I'm a trip back on the show simple.
Exactly.
Ayala.
Mimi Gidi say the analysis we are doing after the game.
Sure.
And no man ko yi in India. Sanka omu push on so and our discussion will be different.
Okay.
So I'm saying in the real situation, Rich and over. Say me bobo na me coach. And I make say medical catcher say nobody has preached match management actually me on this platform. But Rich, say Liverpool be say me 2. Now my changes. Now with 10 men match 2-2 no. And yes, we are Martin Bear 60th minute. And after Yaya and Yabedu 90th minute, so I didn't tell go and ma interfere. We manage you. Me 2-2 no. It was 88 minutes. 2 minutes to the 90. And the rest of the game, I take away. Rich, I can't bear 10 minutes. I will sustain that pressure on Liverpool. I am telling you. And America say even the supporters never stadium one. As at that time, say Newcastle affordable back passer. Say yo, Obenya Bob so Okuli a tempo na. The supporters let's go at them. Sometimes Rich and Bona and yet their open so sometimes the atmosphere will allow you to play.
Liverpool go never now saw it. I'm the one to corner. So it was like damn me a brand and I'm saying born I say.
Now Rich only say
what you defend the from ground.
According to Opta. Go now about and share as winning goal. Every Liverpool player be and I can be.
Okay.
Every Liverpool player, including the goalkeeper. Obia so this is Allison no. Pass the ball into this is the sequence of play. Could say real ball on the share. Everyone was involved one way or the other. Even Abante for the Sobos like Omar Damino. That is his involvement in the goal. Because I can remember and Kabante Enya. And the only thing this guy did, the only touch to the goal was Bono Boy. Incredible. Rich, sometimes this is what football gives us. These stories must be written. And it is that. And the Abenti Feni Rich, 16 years, 361 days. There's a crazy nobody 17, and Alberti I the youngest goal scorer in the Premier League. First, na Ekuta win Rooney 16 years to score. October 2002 for Everton. Now this guy Ababe Tosum Mienu Honoma ye Ekoye which ye pon game. So we should Newcastle for no reaction. Even though they were down, even on my ex account in the we lost the game, but because we fought very, very well. And even from the players' name, anyone gets just we think we did what we could do. Yeah, best any idea lose game. No. Now comes the discussion. Say, now if you figure, say, who should the real game no koya, Rich, and can Newcastle were clinical finisher, and can time almost so more dominating, and can they will score. And Enra, okay, I'm the graphic way by. Say Newcastle without Alexander Isak in almost last games of Mabono win crown by, and the only goals of Marseille 3 in their last 6 games of Mabo without Avante and Alexander Isak. Now, Rich, they must allow Isak to go because now Omabo Liverpool away. They must close the chapter with Liverpool and Isak with every game. No, almost starting so more forward.
Say be a player more pen on me.
And until I'm with Abana.
Okay.
So they are bid to Wisana Brentford for a reject. Rich, they must improve it and get him. And you wish and corner mope. Rich, almost Omoko anti wondrous, Omunya jogging strong last and so mope. And the moment they say, oh, Omobako, no, I'm then I checked the statistics, Rich. Last season, for over 100, or 14 goals, and 4 assists. That is good enough. So in the coming days, what Athletic Foreign David was saying, reportedly said, look, Newcastle will have to chase Wisa. Any Abanti for the Jorgen Strand Larsen. So we know more. Then they have a replacement for Isak. Liverpool, the NBD, what in their evaluation say 120, 130, they will allow Abante for Alexander Isak to leave. Now a team breaking. Minimum some more time about the cameras and cameras and time now so.
Time as
and they have coach now.
Because
there's a situation with Kobe Mino. Na Odi Ochina Ba. Mamma ons bina. Mintimifa entrance honum.
But Sylvester Mensah, say I really agree with Ayala. The realistic situation was the momentum and the circumstances surrounding the match vis-a-vis the Isak issue. They really wanted to win.
Yes.
We're in a best second. You but oh, means me free band say.
You got a cup game and get different.
A Liverpool na neighbor or quality jail. More game changes.
And I'm saying a cup game and get different.
What I say?
It is because of the results.
Yeah, I get it. But
I'm not coaching and we are doing afterthoughts. Results in Intino. Sometimes you make an argument and it makes a lot of logic because results no and how they can. But problem in passes on code near touchline. And results in Yambaya. I am looking at results in Yambaya. You don't know the ABC. You will push on, Rich. You will push on.
Raymond Teddy Collins, I say, good day, Richard. I agree with Ayala. Looking at the atmosphere after the equalizer, they had no option to push harder, get analysis.
Yes.
And also at the Abraham moment, I'm your coach. There, Liverpool, I'm a bono quality.
Liverpool,
that time they met
and a cup game. Me as a coach, make us a body or my boy. A league. A marathon and just a sprint be yeah, boy free.
Empower 1 point you free there.
I mean a league. A Liverpool 1 point against Liverpool. But say a cup game na mo bona manya sa momentum na. Make catch players and say the only bono. Omo fa money sa.
You see to conclude no. A league mo na obo. But we are talking about Liverpool. Our second leg against them is at Anfield. So one said we fear you will not have a chance to score them at Anfield. And acquire say Menyano.
My mentality.
Menyano. Say Kotokoko bechem. Not only bechem boboa. In in Bechem analysis in their dressing room even before the league starts. And him say on a kotoko. So we are realistic. So when your point is every kotoko, and you Bechem wana. Listen, Bechem mano Beshano 2-0. Now ultimately take 88 minutes. When you say Bechem supporters now one year because young Kumu is here because you cook Masia.
But you as the coach, that is when you have to realize say me here BB will give
you see Kofitela supporters no Saturday no more you know. It and yet in isolation to the Ecoso Park in the snow. I mean, and yes, the supporters who were saying Yanko, and when I would your park is saying, I'm near quiet you. The momentum was with you on the pitch. Even supporters in the Ecoso Park in the snow. You can even say, supporters in the Momukrana, or me link to the situation in the park in the snow. Because on him say, boy, Mishi, me place you as a walk. And your man from support in Pia or Munko, and yet placing the airdrop of the supporters. So, and your woman to Muka supporters. So, then you need a push, and I'm giving it to you. Look, football and Ankasadi, it was very, very beautiful. It was very, very beautiful.
End to end.
Coach, I was trying to be.
Oh, but and as a football fair, at least Nezenka. Newcastle to win your point.
Yes, in your face. Yes, in your face. You don't talk about fairness. Oh, Rich, just let me mention. BWD2 140C6 and a BWD2 1EE93. 2 Betway Kosa, Ubetimi Afana, Otimi, Ede Aya Onyoma, BWD2 140C6, BWD2 1EE93. Into far, na Wetimi, Ede Ababe, Ede Ode, Ebetimi Aya Rich. I'm interested in him.
Minimum Zabio, people, as an Apoba, why?